I'm Chris, by the way.
I'm Jake. How's it going, man? Nice to meet you.
What do you think? Is it cool? Do you like it? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Brian, dude, thank you so much.
Hey, you're welcome.
Yep, absolutely. Yep, you're huge,
fun.
man. Putting this paver in, making all this happen.
Yep.
Dude, godsend.
Yes, sir. The next, we're gonna put turf around this thing.
Yep, we have a few more phases to go. We're gonna make this thing off the hook, right? Okay, cool. There it is, just going in. More to come. Stay tuned. I can't even talk. I'm just flabbergasted. You know, it's been a lot of work to get here. Thank everyone. Thank you so much for the support. Believing in it. A couple holes here. This is where the scoring tower is going to be. We're going to put that in maybe later today or tomorrow. So definitely more to come. So thanks so much. Just can't find my words. This thing's pretty. It's insane.